I decided to take the Stylized Character course because I started learning on my own and I realized that my eyes were not enough. By that I mean that I actually needed feedback and I needed more guidance. People call me JD. I am from Venezuela. I've been learning 3D for about 3 years. And this year I decided to start with our Heroes Stylized Character course. I knew Marlon's work, and I knew it was good. So that was a very good introduction for me. I said that since I have 1 year to do everything, I'm gonna take the course over and over again for about a year. The first concept I worked on was Journal of Grivia by Ivan Fiorelli. So I'm gonna get out of my comfort zone and I'm gonna go for a male character. The second character that I worked on is Catcher by Samara Iran. The reason why I chose that one is because I was going to focus on female anatomy. The face, the head, definitely that part. I don't really have an artistic background. I'm a computer science engineer. And I am also a teacher. What helped me here at our Heroes is you guys were actually doing that. You were telling me what was wrong. So I started working and then got more feedback, continued working. And then when I saw my final result, I was like, I can't believe I did this. And that's the thing. It's like, if I had gone just for the one character, first, I wouldn't have discovered the position of the eyes. Second, I would have felt like, what's wrong with the body? Like, the cool thing about our Heroes is that you get a concept, any concept, because it's something that you like, and they tell you, you guys tell us, hey, make sure it has clothes, make sure it is human, make sure it has a weapon, because you need to work on hard surface, you need to work on drapery, you need to work on appearance and hair and this and that. You work on any concept and they adjust to your goal. You don't have to adjust to the goal of the course. Hey, I know how to sculpt hair now. That is a lot more than I could say in the past. Techniques for topology, texture substance painter. Like, there were lots of things that I had no idea how to do with substance painter. It has given me hope.